Assalamu alaikum everyone. It was wonderful to meet each and every of you at Faiza's place. Faiza, thank you again. And I really appreciate for those who were sitting and listening and doing the exercise. We did hardly a short 1 minute exercise of breathing, maybe up till 2 minutes. And I hope that if you guys can give me your feedback in writing, that would be good. And if when we do the next session or after you listen to this, if you can send me your feedback about how did it feel, did you learn anything new and all, what are your thoughts about what we were saying and talking about. I know it was short and choppy, but I think you got something out of it. Whatever you got, please, if you share with me, I would really appreciate. So I was talking about the normal breathing. I want you to learn how to do the nostril breathing, and one of the shorts is on my YouTube channel, LightupwithShua, and you can go there. I will leave the link in this chat, this group chat, and then you can go there and see for yourself. There are other shorts on breathing exercises. All right, that is one. Second is that the course that I'm bringing, I'm working on it, and that is separate. So these trainings are free, and I want you to see if this resonates with you, if this is what you would like to learn and train yourself. I am talking to women 40-45 and above also for their perimenopause and menopausal stages of hormones. I am not a clinical psychologist or a doctor by profession, but I am familiar with the medical side and the pharma side, but I am on the natural therapy side. That's how I have kept myself in good shape overall. I do go through many things, but then how do I manage and how do I navigate through it? What do I use? So for I was talking to a few ladies, and they were mentioning about fibroids and all. I had some, and I worked on it, and I got rid of them. Almost they're done. And also when you are in menopausal stage, towards menopausal, hormones are going crazy, and then your fibroids also increase in size and all that. And also it depends on how much sugar you are taking, how much meat, what is your diet and lifestyle. Are you active? Are you sitting more? And definitely that contributes to the weight. And then if you are heavier, then it also doesn't help your fibroids and overall stress in your life. Because if your body is not in fitness, the right fitness, then it just, things don't work. That's how it is. So I would say try to avoid sugars, try to avoid daily meat eating, chicken and all. Eat it in very little amount on weekly basis, but more of vegetables. And fruit also should not be too much, because I tell you, I was eating too much fruit, and that also the sugars convert into fat and doesn't help. So this is all the knowledge that I have been taking, and I am sharing with you because this is my interest. And I how I would give you an example. As a person writes after research a book, right? It takes him or her 2-3 years for a good book, not those which they say, okay, write a book in 2 hours or 2 days, that kind of book. You can do, but that book would be very short, and the research won't be there. So I am doing work for you. I have researched, I have attained all this, I have educated myself. You can see how much education I have and all, and I'm still on it, and I'm in the process of getting more certifications and all. But this is my interest. I get the Hikmat side, the Ayurveda side, from both sides of my family, so it is part of my lifestyle. And I also am very interested, and I research and I apply to my family as much as I can. My boys really have been in good health. There was someone who was talking about the allergies and asthma and all. I have worked that with my boys, especially the younger one, and I got him out of it. There are multiple ways to do that. At least first do your thing that you need to do, and then go to the other medical side and inhalers and medications. All right. So breathing, what I plan to teach you in the courses, and in these, okay, let me break it down. So in these free trainings, I will do a mini session of the things that I will do in the course, but the course will be more deeper and not too long, but there will be more material and by the topics and all, so it will be more detailed. The session I want to do is not more than 30 to 40 minutes, all right, in these free sessions. I want to teach you how to do meditation every day, and that will include all the other things, right? Mindset management, neuroplasticity, which expands your brain, how you think and how the capacity extends. Breathing detoxes you, which means takes out all the toxins out of your body, helps your weight, helps your stress, your anxiety, and also breathing helps your energy, your respiratory system, your nervous system, your lymphatic system, your muscle tension, cardiovascular, digestive system improves, elevates your mental health, your sleep patterns, your sleep improves, and of course you look younger and good, right? You look fresh. So that is the aim of that. Then I was talking about neuro-linguistic programming, how you can change your patterns and how you can change others' patterns. So part of my course is conflict resolution, conflict transformation actually. So this course that I am teaching is self-healing and transformation, in which you will heal. I don't want you to be dependent on me, but this is what I'm introducing. For some time you will have to take my skills and tips and all. And once you have it, and then I want you to practice and do it on your own. And then if you sign up for the proper course and membership, and then that's where I can be your mentor. I can help you coach basically on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis and all. And also that will be temporary. You don't have to be dependent on me, but in the beginning I need to hold your hand and bring it to you at a level that once you are there, then you will manage it. These are the skills and tips that I have learned over 2 decades approximately, a little more. So it's like you are getting a benefit of my time and research I have done into these smaller few hours sessions and all that. So it's up to you if you think that it is aligned with your mindset or thought process and it resonates with you. All right, so I think I will just end it here, and if you have any more questions, please also visit for the shorts. I don't know if I've already said it. Go to my Light Up with Shua YouTube channel. There are shorts, these short videos of 1 minute, and there I have taught nostril breathing. So go there for nostril breathing, normal nostril breathing, and I put another one I think today, or no, not today, but anyways, I'm bringing more breathing exercises on it, but you can learn from there. All right, then in my workshop I have a lot I will teach, but for now I think this is enough. If you have any more questions, please contact me through my website lightupwithshua.com, and visit my channel and let me know what you think and what you want to explore and all, and we can see how it is. Thank you so much, and it was wonderful meeting you all, and stay happy, stay healthy, and talk to you soon. Thank you.